Fracking is happening here in California. This is something that has come onto our radar screen fairly recently. I grew up in Orange County. I grew up in California. I know what it's like to be thinking about earthquakes all the time. I think a lot of us do. That's why when we hear reports that fracking or the injection of wastewater from fracking may be inducing earthquakes or having some sort of impact on seismic activity, that is a serious concern for a lot of us here in California. There are no studies specific to California. What's the safe distance where you could drill from a fault where you wouldn't have to worry about an earthquake being induced? Can somebody please look into that? To talk about, this potentially vast expansion of drilling and fracking in the Monterey Shale, this formation in Central California that could have up to 15 billion barrels of oil. That's 2/3 of the US supply of shale oil. And what kinds of impacts are we going to see and are we seeing? Are earthquakes being induced? Why are we not requiring oil companies to be doing a rigorous review of the whole area around where drilling or fracking is going to happen to make sure there isn't some sort of pathway to inducing an earthquake or inducing a larger earthquake than would have happened otherwise? That seems like a no-brainer to me.